Hello guys, here I am again. It seems like Apple products have been falling in my lap for the past few weeks now. That's a very good problem to have. And today I just got my new phone, a new iPhone from my employer, and it is a 128 gigabytes iPhone 11. Very nice. So as you can see, it's in European again, in French, in German, and in Dutch. It has the iPhone 11, the earpods with lightning connector, blah blah blah. I also got this very nice case with it. I'm gonna test and unbox that as well, but let's first, without further ado, to the brand new unboxing. Here we have this little green arrow. It says I can just pull it like this. Oh, hear that sound. We're gonna lose that cover, don't need that. Here it is, the box. It is not the Pro model, it's just normal 11 with the 2 cameras. It's a very big upgrade over my iPhone SE that I have. Before that I had an iPhone 5, so I've been working with the same form factor for over 8 years now, so I'm very happy to finally get a new phone. I'm gonna unbox this. Wow, here there's a little hole for the camera because that's popping out a bit. It's very sturdy. Put that here. Voila. Here it is, guys, the phone. Oh, it's upside down because this is sticking out a bit, as you can see. Bam, look how big it is compared to the SE. Whoa, I'm gonna put this here. Let's first see what else is in the box. Designed by Apple in California, as always. Gonna open it. Whoa, just look at this. It has the leaflets here. Bonjour, je ne suis pas français. So I'm gonna switch to another language. Hello, it's Dutch, so we don't need this. Maybe I'm gonna use this. Is 9. Willkommen beim iPhone. Don't need that. Hello. Aha, this one is for me. Now here is the little tool to place the SIM card. So we will use that in a moment. What do we have here? It's French, German, this is Dutch, I'm gonna check it later. This is French, this is German, and there's no warranty in Dutch or what. Of course, some Apple stickers, who doesn't need that. This leaflet is now very empty. So, we have, hello. Welcome to the world of iPhone. Face ID, side button, tips, tap to activate the home screen, blah blah blah. Okay, what is this? Safety, usage, battery, blah blah. Maybe I'll read that later. Okay, in the box I have here this beautiful new connector. It's a charger, brand new in the box. Put that away. Then we have the. It's no longer in a plastic case. The old ears were in a plastic cover. Now we have this, the ears, and it now has a lightning connector. So it's still the same with the wire and with the remote, but this time we have a lightning connector. So that's very nice. And then of course we have another cable. Unfortunately, this iPhone does not come with a bigger or better adapter. This is just like the 5-watt adapter, not the power charger. And the iPhone 11 supports it, but only with an iPhone 11 Pro you actually get it. So that's a bit of a shame. I'm gonna first get my SIM card and then we'll get on with it. Here I have my SIM card. It's very, very tiny. We're gonna take the little tool, this one. Gonna open this, get it out, up like this. And now we're gonna take the iPhone, and on the side somewhere here is the slot. So I'm gonna push this pin up and the slot comes out. Put this here. Voila. It has to go in like this. It's the only way it fits. I'm gonna put this in, click, and that's it. Now the SIM is installed. I'm gonna remove this. It says Apple Inc. 1 Apple Parkway. I'm gonna remove this. Don't need it. On the back there was, it's only one cover. Okay, there's none on the back. Then I'm going to open this. So we have the iPhone 11 silicone case, very nice. Blah blah blah. 2019 Apple. Up. There's a green arrow again. Gonna pull this. Bam. The case. Oh, it's nice look and feel. Gonna put the iPhone inside its trusty case. Don't drop it. Voila. Oh, it looks very nice. And now we are going to turn it on. Here it works. Look at this shine. Starting with that, don't need all that garbage. Here it says hello. Hola. So that's it. Afterwards I just kept my iPhone close to my iPad to set over the settings, but since I took a full backup through iTunes, I just hooked it up to the computer and restored my phone. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and have a nice day.